Hello, Tim. Paul here. So I just wanted to show you of course, we worked on planks from here down. So I want to show you the match. And as you can, if you can find where we replaced about 8 foot of planking on this side, you're way better than I am. So we got a real nice match on all of this.
Get that hang down, it's hanging down just half inch. It's like it's caught on the trailer bone.
So a couple of nice surprises. That Halcyon, I guess you already know that Halcyon varnish dries in like no time, cures in like no time. Like they said an hour, but it's even less time. And of course, here's on this side, we replaced planks from here down, and then we had another spot. I think it was on.
He was leave that plug in.
Okay. All right, and let's see. We had, I guess up here it was near the. We probably got it taped up where you can't see it because it was near the boot stripe. It kind of in and out of the boot stripe. Oh, there it is, right there. Of course, it's in the area that gets painted, so that worked out real nice. So let's see. We had another one though. We had another one besides that. Let me turn you around and go back and make another run at that. We had one up here, and we put a short plank in. Oh, I think I just went past it. Right here. No? I can't tell for sure. If you can tell, great. So we did a real nice job of matching. The Halcyon kind of helps with that as well. So we got a little bit more correction that we're doing on that right now as the assembly floors are going in. And we're going to give you longer loading guide pipes. The loading guides will hit, if you're deep in the water, your loading guides were hitting your, last time we took it to the lake, which was yesterday, your loading guides were hitting in this area right here. And believe it or not, that plastic cap will leave a plastic deposit on your hull. So we're going to raise them up to where your plastic caps come just above the deck of your boat. On our boat ramps, that might be a little higher. You might have a little more safety factor when you're loading on your ramps, which are fairly flat down in Alabama. So, but you should be safe for pretty much any ramp in the U.S. All right, thank you.